channel. So today I'm going to do a video, well, kind of like a different video. I'm going to do a video all about my hair. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while now. I've just never got around to it, but seeing as I washed my hair like about 20 minutes ago, I thought I might as well just film it now because it's kind of like fresh in my mind sort of thing. So my hair care routine is quite different to probably quite a lot of you. I only wash my hair about once a week. I know, shock horror, but that's the way I've always done it, and my hair's kind of like got used to it sort of thing. And it doesn't really get oily or greasy throughout the week. It kind of just stays as it is. Like it looks like it's been washed all week sort of thing. So I don't feel like I need to wash it all the time. So yeah, I only wash it once a week. And throughout the week I do use like dry shampoo on it. If it does seem a bit like dull, I will spray a bit of that on, but not too much, like only a little spritz throughout the roots sort of thing. But recently I have changed my shampoo and conditioner that I use. The shampoo and conditioner that I use for my hair, I use the brand called Aussie. And I haven't been using this brand long, to be honest. Like before I started using these, I was using Tresemme, John Frieda, but I just felt like they weren't giving my hair that oomph, that volume, that shine. And I was just looking for something that would give my hair that volume, and I just wasn't finding it in them shampoos. So my hairdresser recommended Aussie, and ever since she recommended it, I went out, brought it, and I haven't changed shampoo and conditioner since. It's just works wonders on my hair. My hair absolutely loves it, and I can tell the way it feels healthy, glowy. And yeah, I've just stuck to this from like day one since she told me. And if I read the back, it says there's more to life than hair, but it's a good place to start, which I think is so true. And basically it's an Australian brand, by the way, and it's got macadamia nut oil, jojoba seed oil and avocado oil. So I'm just going to show you another bottle of the conditioner. This is just the Miracle Shine conditioner, and it's just like in a smaller bottle, but that's like something similar to what I would use if I didn't have the conditioner. I'd just use this. And this is a different one. It's got Australian ginseng extract and pearl powder, and this is Miracle Shine. And yeah, it's just basically the same stuff really, but they just have all different names for some of them. So the way I start washing my hair is, obviously I just said I wash my hair once a week. What I do is I wet my hair first, obviously, with warm water, not too hot, because I think that just damages it sort of thing. So I never use like boiling hot water, it's just warm. Wet my hair, and then after I've wet it, I always apply the conditioner first. Some of you may not agree with that, but that's just the way I've always done it. So the way I apply conditioner is, I do not apply conditioner to the scalp of my head, because that is what makes your hair oily. That is what brings out the oil. So if you do that, stop doing it. Only apply conditioner to the roots, not to the roots, sorry. Only apply conditioner to the ends of your hair. That's where the conditioner is supposed to go, and then shampoo goes like at the scalp. So I just apply the conditioner on the ends of my hair, and then when that's all in, then I don't wash that off. I go in with the shampoo on the scalp of my head, and I just massage that in. So while the conditioner's still on at the ends, the shampoos, I add the shampoo at the top. So while that's soaking in, I'm adding this one. And then what I do is, when they're both on my hair sort of thing, I wash my body and stuff, and I leave it in for about 10-15 minutes. I don't wash it off straight away. I like to let them soak for a bit, just so my hair gets the benefit of it. And then when I come to rinsing them both off, I actually use cold water. This is supposed to be really good, I've heard, because it's supposed to seal the cuticle of your hair. I don't know if it's true or not, but I've started recently doing that, and I have noticed a big difference. Like, the shine on my hair it's unbelievable really. And my hair, I feel like when I wash my hair off with hot water, my hair feels dry and hard and brittle sometimes. So yeah, I've always just used cold water to rinse it off. Not too cold obviously, because you just don't want it too cold. I'll get out of the shower and then I will towel dry my hair till it's damp. But I don't put heat on it straight away. I won't just come in and put the hairdryer on it sort of thing. I'll just leave it for a bit until I just let it air dry sort of thing. And then for when it's towel dried, I use this oil. It's called Alberto Balsam Blend Smooth and Sleek. I just apply this all throughout my hair, underneath, over, just to give it that shine really. It says it's got organic argan oil and jasmine flower, and it can be used pre-shampoo as a nourishing treatment in between washes to tame frizz, slightly wet or dry hair without rinsing. So you can use it really every day if you like, but I just always use it like when I come out the shower. Yeah, so I just use this every single time I've washed my hair. I wouldn't really use it every day, because I feel like that would just make my hair really oily. And usually when I wash my hair it will be at night, and then I'll put it in a plait and then sleep with it damp. I won't dry it, because I feel like sometimes when I blow dry my hair it gets really dry, the ends feel a bit brittle. So I just feel like sometimes it's better if I sleep with damp hair. I don't do that all the time though, only sometimes if I'm washing it at night. If I'm washing it in the day I will blow dry it. And the way I do that is sometimes I will get this round brush and just curl it around my hair while I blow dry it sort of thing. And I haven't really been using this long, to be honest. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like, I think it takes a lot of effort, and I'd probably rather go to the shop to get my hair blow dried than do it myself, because sometimes it doesn't always work out. But I suppose sometimes it's good to try it yourself. I mean, you never know. So yeah, I don't know if any of you guys blow dry your hair. If you do, comment down below, and maybe I'd have to watch some videos on it to improve. But I usually get my hair cut every 4 weeks, and up until last year I wasn't getting my hair cut regularly, and I did notice, to be honest, that the split ends were coming in and my hair was dry, and I was getting like little bits in my hair and like at the top and stuff. So I spoke to my mum about it, and we found a hairdresser's and we booked an appointment. Been going from that day. I've kind of gone ever since, because I just book it in every time I go. So I just go to a local one really, just round the corner from where I live. And it really helps keep my hair in good condition. Like, I've noticed since I've been going, I've had no split ends, I've had no dryness. My hair feels shinier and much more healthier, and it's in much more better condition. So I think that would be really good advice to any of you guys who are struggling with dry hair. Maybe try and, if you don't go for your regular haircuts, maybe try and make that your aim. Try and get your hair cut every 4 weeks, because I think that does make a really big difference. I know there's a lot of people that use hair masks on their hair maybe once a week. I don't do that. I use an oil treatment. So the oil I use as a treatment, I do this about once a month, I think. Yeah, something like once a month. and I use this bottle of jasmine oil. It's Indian jasmine oil, and what I do with this is I'd fill a small cap full of this and just warm it up in the microwave so it's like kind of warmish, and I will apply that to the ends of my hair, just the ends, not the top because that'll make it oily, just the ends, and I'll leave this on for about 30 to 40 minutes and then I'll wash my hair. And I feel like this is a really good treatment for my hair because it makes my hair feel really healthy and it gives it that strength to help it grow. So yeah, I've used this and I'd recommend it to a lot of people. Obviously don't do it all the time, but once every month will be fine, and it's a really good treatment, especially to help nourish your hair and also make it shine as well. So I would definitely recommend this. I think you can get this from any shop really, maybe more than likely Indian shops, but yeah, it's just called jasmine oil and it's supposed to be a really good treatment for your hair. It's all natural stuff as well. So yeah, that is basically how I keep my hair looking healthy. I know this wasn't a long video, but that is all that I do really to keep it looking nice and shiny and healthy. I know a lot of you were asking me on Instagram, so I thought it'd be perfect to do a video on it really, and I hope I'm able to answer some of your questions, what you asked me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Leave some of your hair care tips if you've got any. I'd really like to know what you do with your hair. Have you got a different routine? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'd like to have you here on my channel. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.